What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to see old stories on Facebook. It's pretty easy, so let's get right into the video. Once you have entered in your Facebook account, head over to the hamburger menu, and once you are there, you can see, if you scroll down, there is an option settings and privacy. Tap on it, and there is another option, settings. Once you're in the settings option, scroll down. Scroll down until you see an activity log option under your activity section. Click on it. Once it's there, you can go to your archive. Now you can see there is an option to stories archive and post archive, both of them. So as you want to see the old stories of your Facebook, if you have already enabled the archiving story format in your Facebook, then your old stories will be archived automatically and they will be saved in the archive and in the story archive option. And yeah, if you click on the story archive option, they will allow you to see your past or old stories on Facebook. And that's it. It was pretty easy. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.